We are now ready to start writing the code for our sign-in page. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a sign-in page class as a stateless widget in the same way that we've done before. So here we're just going to use the Android Studio template for stateless widget, and we're going to name this sign-in page. Now we can see that there's quite a lot of things that the compiler is not happy with, and the reason for that is that we forgot to import the Flutter package that defines all these different symbols. So we can fix this very quickly by placing our cursor, for example, on stateless widget, and then pressing Alt-Enter. And here we are given a choice of imports that we can choose. So we're going to select the material package, and we can see that all the warnings go away. Okay, we have now defined our sign-in page, and before we add any more coding here, we must remember to actually add it to our root widget. So what we are going to do is to head back to our main.dart file, and what we are going to do is replace this container with an instance of the sign-in page that we have just created. So I'm going to type that in and put it like this. And the compiler is not happy because although we have added it here, we have forgot to import the correct file. So like we have done before, we can select this symbol and import the missing file by pressing Alt-Enter, and the editor just the right thing to do. So we are going to confirm that, and then we have imported the sign-in page. We are all clear now, so just to check that everything still works, we are going to run the app. And while we wait for the app to start, actually that was quite quick, we can just quickly inspect the import line that has been added by Android Studio. So what is done is add a package with name time tracker flutter course. So this is the name of our package. And then it includes the app/signin/signin page.dart file. So this is the full path to our file that we have created within the time tracker flutter course package. Okay, so we can head back to our sign-in page, and we can see also that the app still looks white, so nothing in there to see at the moment. Now, since we are going to present an actual page here, we can make use of some of the useful UI elements that come out of the box with a scaffold widget. So what we are going to do in here is to replace this container with a scaffold. And the first thing that we want to add to our scaffold is an app bar. So app bar, defined like this, takes a number of interesting properties, and one of them is called title, which is a widget. Here we can define the title as a text, and in here we can type in time tracker. So if we save this and reload, we can see that at the top of our simulator, indigo color bar is appearing, and we now have this time tracker title in here. Now, before we make any more progress, I'd like to talk a little bit more about app bar, and I'll do that in the next video.